to look at topic 3, example 4, where we use equations to solve problems. It's quite similar to the previous video where we were given information and we had to come up with the equation ourselves and then solve it. So Cameron pays 95 cents per song with his current music service. A new music download service charges 89 cents per song with a $12 registration fee. At what number of songs does the new service become less expensive? So textbooks love these type of problems. They're a bit outdated. Most music services, right? We don't really use this type of music service for the most part, but for the sake of this problem, this is what we're working with. So we want to know at what number of songs does the new service become less expensive? So we want to know when the current service is equal to the new service, right? And then we would decide what to do from there. So our current service, Cameron pays 95 cents per song. So we could say that would be 0.95. I'm not going to use S for songs, we'll just use X. So we'll say 0.95X. That's our current cost. The new service is 89 cents per song, so it would be 89 cents per X songs. But there's also a $12 registration fee. So the songs themselves are cheaper, but we have to pay $12 up front. Now we have our equation, so we can solve. All right. Subtract 0.89x from each side. This is a pretty easy equation to solve. It's only going to be 2 steps. So this would be 0.06x. That would be equal to 12. And then we would divide by 0.06. My screen's not cooperating here. 0.06. Be careful typing in your decimals. Make sure you put 0.06, not 0.6. And then 12 divided by 0.06 is going to equal 200. So the question is, at what number of songs does the new service become less expensive? 200 songs is when the two services are equal to one another. So since we're even at 200 songs, that kind of covers that registration fee now. We don't have to worry about that. So moving forward, we're either paying 95 cents per song or 89 cents per song. So the new service becomes less expensive after 200 songs. So before 200 songs, the current service is better. At 200 songs, they're equal, so it doesn't really matter which service you use if you're going to download exactly 200 songs. But once you start to pass 200, then the new service is going to be the less expensive option. Which makes sense, right? If you're paying a registration fee for something, or in this case, for the music, per song is cheaper, so that's how they kind of cover their expenses. They use a registration fee, and then the more you use that program, usually the more you save. If you're not going to use the program a lot, then you're usually better off with a service that doesn't charge a registration fee, charges more per item. But again, it's dependent on what the specific example is. For this problem, the new service is less expensive and you'll save a little bit of money, 6 cents per song, after 200 songs. And that's it.